Hi, Paul Wisby here, and today I'm going to show you a slightly simplified version of the Link Wray track Rumble. Now this is a great one if you've just started playing because it only requires a handful of chords to learn it. And these are D, E, A and B7. So let's have a look at how to play these chords in a little more detail.
Your D major chord is played by placing your first finger on the third string second fret, second finger on the first string second fret, and third finger on the second string third fret, making this kind of triangle type shape. And then you want to take your pick and strum down from the fourth string. The next chord is E major. This is played by placing your index finger on the third string first fret, second finger on the fifth string second fret, and third finger on the fourth string second fret. We then take our pick and strum all the way down from string 6. So to play A major, you want to place your index finger on the fourth string second fret, followed by your second finger on the third string second fret, and your third finger just tucked in on the second fret second string. Then you want to take your pick or thumb or fingers, whatever you're playing with, and just strum down from the fifth string to the first string. And there it is. There's an alternate way of playing that, which is to place your first finger on the fourth string and just bar flat down with your index finger across strings 4, 3 and 2. The first string we basically don't play. Okay, and again you play down from the fifth string. B7 is played by placing your first finger on the fourth string first fret, second finger on the fifth string second fret, third finger on the third string second fret, and your little finger on the first string second fret. We then take the pick and strum all the way down from string number 5.
Okay, now you've learned how to play the chords. Let's check out the first line of the tune. So it starts with a D chord and it starts on the third and fourth beat of the bar. So you would count it in and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, D, D, E. Then we do that again. So that first phrase is going to go D, D, E, D, D, E. Okay, so I'll play that again for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, D, D, E, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, D, D, E, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay, the next part we change from D to an A chord. So again, this is very similar, but we've got rid of the E chord this time and we're going D, D, A. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, D, D, A, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And then we would go back to the D, D, E. So let's put everything that we've learnt so far together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So for the next part we go 2 Ds to a B7. So let's check this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay, so that's quite a tricky one, so that's definitely worth isolating that part. So let's check out what we've done so far. It sounds something like this. After the B7 chord, we have this little rundown here. Now what's happening here is I'm placing my finger on the first string 3rd fret, and I'm going to play the string, and then I'm going to the open string. But if you look underneath the notation, there's a little marking, a little line. Now this is what we call a slur line. Now this indicates that the note is slurred. So we're going to use the pull-off technique to do this. So how I do this is I pick the 3rd fret 1st string, I pick the note, and then with my left hand I snap down and off to generate the open string notes. So I'm not picking the 3rd fret and then the open string. I do one pick, snap off the string to get the open string. I continue this on the next string. So on string 2, 3rd fret, and I pull off to an open string. So if I put those together, so I'm only picking once per string. This continues on to the 3rd string, but however this time I'm playing the 2nd fret 3rd string, going to the open string. Again I'm picking once and pulling off. Same on string 4, that's string 4 fret 2, pull off to the open string. Same on string 5 fret 2, pull off to the open string. And then on the 6th string I play the 3rd fret 6th string and I pull off to the open string. So if I put all of that phrase together, it sounds like this. After I play that phrase, I play the D twice, going to the E chord. So I hope you enjoy this one. It's quite a nice one to start playing. I'll put a link to the backing track that I've been using minus the main guitar in the description and also at the end of the video. Again, if you like the lesson, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.